to wish my father, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman, happy birthday. Daddy, we love you and we celebrate you today on your birthday. We celebrate you. We join the host of heaven and the entire world to celebrate you like we do every day. And our prayer for you is that God will keep you in good health and bless you more and more in Jesus' name. Amen. We love you and we ask that God will continue to give you grace to continue to do all the good work you do. God bless you all the way from OFM, Valencia, Spain, and the entire Church of Europe. We are saying happy birthday to you, Daddy. We love you. And what do we have to say to our Father? Happy birthday! Hip, hip, hip!